Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you how to enable out of stock notification in WooCommerce on WordPress website. I hope you are running a e-commerce website and you have listed your products and services using WooCommerce plugin on a WordPress website, right? And now you are selling your products and you want to know how you will receive an email about the order out of stock, right? Product out of stock notification, how you are going to receive that particular notification. So as you can see, I am into the WordPress admin dashboard, and here in the left side toolbar we have an option of WooCommerce, and when we move our cursor on the WooCommerce, then automatically a submenu appears in front of us having option of settings. Now we are going to click on settings, and here there are a few setting tabs, that is general settings, product settings, tag settings, shipping settings, payment settings, account and privacy settings, email setting, integration settings, site visibility, point of sale setting, and advanced setting, right? So we need to open the product settings, and when we click on products, here again it has sub settings, right? The product general settings, product inventory settings, downloadable product settings, approved downloadable directory settings, and advanced settings. Now here you need to click on inventory, and here you just simply need to turn the enable out of stock notification, right? You just need to check in this option in the notifications, right? And you will automatically receive the email of out of stock product, right? So here you need to just mention the notification recipient's email ID, most probably the administrator email ID or shop manager email ID, and here you can simply add the out of stock threshold when you should receive that particular email. Like you can mention the quantity of the product, right? So if you want to receive the email after only 0 quantity left, or you want to receive the email of out of stock when 5 product quantity are remaining, right? You can simply add the threshold over here, and then simply you can click on save changes, and this is how you can turn on the notification for order for out of stock order, right? So apart from it, if you want to learn more about WooCommerce, then I have mentioned the blog link in the video description that you can simply check it out. You can read articles related to WooCommerce, and if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.